Everyone, I hope you all remember this shuriken. I had folded a shuriken and made a video, and the link can be seen on the top. And today I'm gonna make use of this origami shuriken to fold something even better. Instead of saying folding, it's more so using these as modules to create something better. Now, if you look at these origami shurikens, you can see that these tips actually are like pockets. So you can see this hole over here, so that is like a pocket. Okay, but these tips themselves can also be sockets. So if I were to take two such origami shurikens, and let's say if this is my pocket, this is my socket, I can actually push this inside like that. Okay, so I'll do that again. So this is my pocket, this is my socket, and I push this in like that. Okay, but now there are many other openings. Mind you, when I'm doing this, I could have done it like this. Okay, and that would not give me a very nice result. So whenever I'm doing this, I'm making sure that these two bottoms, they are parallel to each other. Okay, these are parallel to each other so that these fit in together. Okay, so similarly, if I was to take two more and do the same thing, then can I actually push these two together? Yes, certainly. So if I take this to be my pocket, this to be my socket, and this to be my pocket, this to be my socket, I can make something like this. You can use this as a coaster, just like that. You can keep it as a base, and this can be a collection of origami shurikens, and you can just keep on making a mat of these. But I'm not so interested in the mat. So what I'll do is I'll use some pieces like this, and I'll use 10 such pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pieces, which is 40 origami shurikens. And now I'm gonna arrange these 40 origami shurikens to make a crown. So again, the same thing. This is my pocket, socket. So one in my pocket and like that. So repeat the whole process again and again and again and like that. You have to do this 10 times. So I have got 5 over here. I'll make 5 again. Okay, and now I'll connect these two together like that. So you can see I have gotten a very nice just plate sort of a thing over here. So I'll just roll this over, and again pocket and socket. Can you see? So one goes in and like that, and there we go. This is a crown. So this is a crown that I like to call as the Crown of Papulose. Happy folding!